Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 318 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Clear Pause, a short moment to reset through stillness. Let's begin by taking a gentle breath in and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to pause. No rushing, no planning, just a brief space where nothing is required of you. Notice the quiet between your breaths. Notice the subtle calm that rises when you stop for a moment and simply exist. Now, say to yourself, I allow a pause. I clear space within, and I return to calm. Let the mind settle the way dust settles in a room when everything grows still. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present and carry this clear pause with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.